Python Programming, From Zero to Web Development. About this book. Introduction to the book and its purpose. The goal of this book is to teach Python quickly, in detail, and in a straightforward manner to anyone interested in learning the language. The target audience for this book are beginners with no prior programming knowledge. As a result, the book covers topics in a simplified and detailed manner to make the learning process easier. How to use this book. The book is composed of lengthy and detailed articles. Reading it like a novel could lead to frustration, as it's not designed to be read passively. To avoid boredom and retain information effectively, active participation is key. Instead of simply reading through the material, try writing plenty of example code. This hands-on approach will help solidify what you learn and make it easier to remember. No one expects you to memorize every detail from this book. A skilled programmer knows how to research a topic and find resources when needed. As you progress with Python, you will likely develop a deeper interest in certain areas and focus your learning on them, naturally retaining more details over time. Also, as you work on projects, you'll be guided to explore specific topics in greater detail, which will enhance your understanding. If you find yourself struggling with a concept, don't get discouraged. If you can't grasp something, simply move on. If you're still uncomfortable, there's no harm in seeking help from others or revisiting the material later. Thanks.